G'day, my name's Jason de Montauk, and today I'm going to cover off on a question we should all be asking ourselves: am I adequately protected? And then see the need to get someone like myself to help identify how much cover I actually need. So today I'm going to dive right in and start off by saying, if you were to die or you are affected by an illness or disability, and you're unable to earn permanently or temporarily, there's one thing for sure, that there will be a measurable financial impact on your life and on the lives of people who are important to you. There's stats floating around at the moment which have probably increased since they were done, where only 3% of people move suddenly from healthy living to death. The remaining 97%, they go on a journey from sickness to death, which can sometimes be short or long depending on the cause. So a key part of insurance program is ensuring your family and assets are financially protected if something unexpected should happen to you. Now, it's a subject we don't like to think about, and we're all guilty of sort of thinking this, and that is, oh, it won't happen to me. Adversity won't strike me, it'll happen to the other person. And a question I ask you is, what if it does? And I think we should all think this, although we try to shelve it. How would I pay for my mortgage or my rent? How would I pay for my living costs? How would I pay for school fees, for getting the car fixed? Or we might be in business. How would I keep my business running if I couldn't be there to run it? Or I'm on the farm and have bad weather and the milk tanker can't get to the vat. What happens then? All these things. Am I adequately covered? So when you get someone like myself out to help identify how much cover you actually need, many factors influence how much is enough, like a number of dependents, your current financial situation, and your personal needs and goals in life. As your advisor, I can come out to you and I can work through a risk assessment, which will help identify your current needs and make some recommendations to help put the appropriate insurances in place. At that point, it's totally up to you what you do with that, whether you place an importance on it and put some things in place so that you're protecting the things that you care about. But I guess the question I would ask you is, what if it did happen to you? What would it look like in your world? So if you want to find out more and you'd like a free warrant of fitness on your current insurance program, then I'd be more than happy to, if you make an appointment, to come out and see you and help you through that. Explaining policy wordings that in layman's terms, so that you understand what you are or may not be covered for, and I guess just explaining the process of putting something in place that's going to work with your future plans. So I also recommend that you have a look at another one of my videos on illness and sickness and disabilities in New Zealand. I think you'd be really shocked. So thanks for listening. I hope you see the need to get me out and have a look at your insurance program and make sure that you're adequately protected. Have a great day.